Back for another video. Got some slime. And like this video, give us a thumbs up. Smash that subscribe button. Usually this. Yeah. Usually say like button, but smash that subscribe button and comment down below you want. Comment down below your house, your address, your house, and your name. And then comment down below when is your birthday, when was you born, and all that. Then we come and see y'all on your birthday. And sometimes we can just know it's your birthday because y'all can comment down below. Or y'all don't have to tell us because we always know. Well, guys, this slime is really sticky. But I want to try to use this. Well, you already know what I come on, do it again. After this, if y'all seen it, I don't know if you did, I'm just gonna check the video. My hand was swish into that face. This is my sticky slime. I'm gonna be making some more, but I broke this one. I'm gonna be making some. Not today, but in another video. And if you wanna make this real stretchy, all you gotta do is use a lotion. But I ain't gonna put lotion on mine, because mine go too far already. And it's too stretchy already. Y'all ready for the swish again? Whoosh. All I did was this. Swoosh, whoosh.
I stopped doing that. You're touching me.
No! He got it all over his hand. Looking for those crackers?
Yeah.
They're under the bag.
Look at the bag where? Yes.
Hun, right here. Ask mommy to open up. Welcome to my cupcake factory. Next video. Wait, I might do it in this video. No, go check them out in the video down below. There's gonna be a Roblox video that I'm doing. And make sure you get me up to 1,000 subscribers, because I know that I don't have subscribers yet because I'm new to the channel. But I have so much videos that I didn't edit yet. This video is definitely gonna be edited. And I want y'all to give me 1,000 subscribers, because my friend Cruz, his channel is called slime.by.cruz. And he have 25 subscribers. But I know y'all can catch up to him. Right? No, y'all really can't on some serious stuff. Because if y'all like Logan Paul better than Jake Paul, then y'all gonna get it finished. And y'all gonna get the job done. It look like I'm not looking at y'all. No. Well, usually I don't show my face when I do slime. If you've seen slime videos, all I do is show their hands in the slime. But I'm different, so. Oh yeah. Then you know you're gonna subscribe if you're on the Logan. If you're on the Jake Paulers, you still can subscribe. I really like Jake Paul and Logan Paul the best, but I can't decide who I like the best there. Comment down below, Jake Paul or Logan Paul, who's the best? Y'all always say I'm Logan for some reason. Every video somebody says that, they always say Logan, because Logan has more subscribers. And I be telling people I do like Jake Paul the best, but Logan, you are the star. Paul. Wait, any Paul is the best in your family.
Who's the best?
Either Hi Pamsters. I Pamsters. That's it. Oh, let's just go back to that. Either Hi Pamsters. Okay. Now I'm gonna show my hands. See, that's how you know. Oh yeah, some people think this stuff is slime. Yeah, of course it's slime, but gum, cause that's how you can fake people act like it's slime. Get all this gum, put it together, then it look like slime, and just start playing with it. Then when you finally try to shut it, you're like, this not gum. I'm gonna say it's slime. This is gum. Hey, I'm gonna do some basketball.
Stop making all that noise.
Bye, people. Oh, I need to get this. You stink. You boo boo.
Yeah, people.
You boo boo.
Yeah, people.
This video is gonna be so quick to upload. Give a thumbs up for this. Yeah, I'm gonna do the rest of it do the rest of this video next time. I'll see you tomorrow because I'm still in lines. Because Logan Paul don't have lines. Because it's every day. I really do my vlogs every day. So, actually I don't. It's whenever I feel like it, bruh.